Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV. The post commemorates the 4th anniversary of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's abduction from Kenya to Nigeria on June 26, 2021, highlighting the Directorate of State (DOS's) ongoing advocacy for his release, a movement tied to the Indigenous People of Biafra (IPOB) seeking Biafran independence, a cause rooted in the 1967–1970 Nigerian Civil War where an estimated 1–3.5 million died, per historical records. The emblem in the image represents the DOS, an IPOB authority, symbolizing unity with leopards and an eagle, and values like freedom, justice, peace, reflecting a strategic shift from IPOB's earlier pacifist stance to a more structured leadership, as noted in a 2021 IPOB pamphlet analyzed in a ResearchGate study on separatist movements. The post challenges narratives of DOS insubordination to Kanu, exposing internal IPOB divisions, such as the 2022 fallout with faction in exile, who questioned Kanu's leadership while imprisoned, suggesting a power struggle amid Nigeria's ongoing repression of Igbo separatists, a tension documented in political science literature on state-separatist conflicts. Full transcript on Twitter page read as follows: Today, June 26, 2025, marks 4 years since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was abducted and renditioned from Kenya to Nigeria. The DOS has advocated for this cause and championed the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and we continue to do so until he regains his freedom, despite all their blackmail and accusations against the IPOB leadership. Thus, I challenge anyone to publicly explain to Biafrans how and when the DOS disobeys or are insubordinate to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The strategy to present a narrative that DOS is disobedient to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will lead to a public discussion, allowing Biafrans to understand where DOS has defied Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as some of you may question later, why did you DOS member never communicate to the IPOB families what was happening? We have safeguarded this struggle to such an extent that we can, but we have also realized that the mindset of some people is that this Biafra struggle is their merchandise and others are their clients. That's why you see them not comfortable when things are moving smoothly in the struggle. Some thought that being loud is an achievement while moving in silent and strategically is a failure. Biafrans should be notified the battle since the rendition of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for record purposes. Enough. Thanks for watching Biafra Battle Cry TV, and stay tuned.